On today's menu, a delicious and simple recipe that's food for thought. Delicious crunchy Kombu salad. Lei Hou Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is definitely one of my favorites of all time, and it only requires a few simple, humble ingredients. This here is Japanese kombu, also known as the king of seaweed. It's really nice and thick and has this natural kind of saltiness and ocean flavor. Adds incredible umami to whatever you're making. I do get a lot of inquiries on what to do with the kombu that's left over from making ramen, and this is by far one of the favorite things that I love to make with the kombu if I have leftover after making some ramen. But of course, if you want to make this kombu salad without having to make a lot of ramen to have leftover kombu, this is what I like to do. Peel down 1 large daikon radish. Roughly chop half the radish. One carrot, roughly chopped. Place the chopped radish and carrots into a medium stock pot. Four dried shiitake mushrooms, 40 grams kombu, 1.5 liters water, half tablespoon black peppercorn. Cover and bring to a boil. While we wait for that to boil, we can chop the daikon and the carrots. Now this video is actually a companion video to the kombu salad recipe that's found in the vegan ramen cookbook. Of course, to find out more information, take a sneak peek inside the book, or to find out more information about the Cook with Confidence cookbook, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check those out. Now let's chop those veggies. Chop the remaining daikon radish into thin matchsticks. Place into a large bowl. When the water comes to a boil, remove the kombu. You can simmer the veggies for another 20 minutes or 1 hour. Chop 1 carrot into thin matchsticks. Rinse the kombu in cold water. Stack a few sheets of kombu together and roll them up. Thinly slice the kombu. Repeat with the remaining kombu sheets. They almost look like little noodles made out of seaweed. Place the sliced kombu into a colander. Rinse well in cold water. Be sure not to skip this step or your salad will become goopy. Transfer the kombu to the mixing bowl. To make the dressing, add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce into a small jar. Two tablespoons rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons cane sugar. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Give the dressing a good shake. Pour in half the dressing and taste. Remember, you can always add more, but you cannot take away. Three tablespoons toasted sesame seeds. Toss. Plate. You can now get crunching with this delicious salad with absolute confidence. That is basically it for the kombu salad. Now don't forget about that dashi that we made. I mean, this is just like a simple, quick version, but man, that smells really, really incredible. It's really light, but it's really earthy as well. This will make a great base to your next noodle soup. Refrigerate the dashi and use within 2 weeks. This really is like a plate of seaweed noodles. Look at that. That has got to be the most satisfying, crunchy, refreshing salad ever. Traditionally, seaweed salad is made with a wakame seaweed, which is a lot more tender, I would say, but the kombu definitely is my personal favorite because it is incredibly crunchy. It has that incredible elasticity to that bite. It's just that unique, amazing texture. And then you further accentuate that crunchiness with the fresh daikon, radish, and the carrots that add that little bit of sweetness, and the daikon adds that kind of juicy freshness. The sesame seeds adds that kind of toasted sesame aroma, and you also get that sesame flavor from the toasted sesame oil in that dressing. You get the saltiness and that umami from the delicious soy sauce, the sweetness from the cane sugar, and that tanginess from the rice vinegar. And those flavors just really balance out and coats that amazing kombu. You can definitely make this ahead of time, keep it in the fridge. I personally really enjoy this when it's just really nice and cold and chilled. This is a companion video with the recipe that's in the vegan ramen cookbook, but of course, you can substantiate this salad with whatever you like. This is really just the base. Restaurant style, restaurant quality, using ingredients that normally would be thrown away. I mean, this recipe is good for a few portions, but let me tell you, that is so delicious and so addictive. I can totally sit down with just this one big plate and finish it all by myself. And I think that is pretty close to the king seaweed salad in the vegan ramen cookbook. Of course, to find more information about the ramen cookbook or the Cook with Confidence cookbook, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out, take a sneak peek inside the book, or order a signed copy. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next episode.